Alright, so I'm live. My first time being live. Happy 420, everybody. If you're watching this in the future, it's for so for all the 420 stocks are mostly up in pre-market. Okay, so Silver Spike acquisitions up 0.04%, Growth Generation's up 1.3%. Innovative Industrial Properties is actually not moving at all right now. Kronos Group up 0.06, Village Farms up 0.03, Canopy Growth is up 0.24, Afria's up 1.8. Dang, looks like a pretty good green day for the cannabis sector. Let's look at the general stock market. The general stock market looks to be red right now during pre-market. So let me open up NASDAQ. Let's see if there's any news about the stock market before it opens. Okay, so this article came out 56 minutes ago. US futures slump as virus hits travel stocks markets wrap. This is from Bloomberg. US futures fell with stocks as a growing tally of virus cases tempered enthusiasm for a global growth rebound. Bond yields fell. Contracts on both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 slid Tuesday, with the biggest declines in pre-market trading centered on the holiday industry, including United Airlines Holdings Inc., American Airlines Group, and Carnival Corp. Even with this latest pullback in major indexes, global stocks are not far from record highs. That's prompting concern markets may be overplaying bets on economic reopenings as countries in the developing world, India and Brazil in particular, struggle to contain a rising tide of infection. Yeah, this is my first live stream, so let's see how this goes. Okay. We do think that the market is a little overextended here. Dave Sekera, chief U.S. markets strategist at Morningstar Investment Services, told Bloomberg TV, adding that broad U.S. equities look about 5% overvalued. Investors are awaiting further confirmation of the private sector's recovery from the pandemic as the earnings season gathers pace. Johnson & Johnson, Netflix Inc., Procter & Gamble, and Lockheed Martin Corp are due to report Tuesday. Meanwhile, oil traded near $64 a barrel a year to the day after futures for the U.S. benchmark collapsed below zero, with the world's most important commodity extending a powerful rally on bets for better demand. Okay, let's see what else there is. Okay, so according to the news cycle right now, the stocks are pulling back from record highs as COVID-19 cases rise at the fastest rate since the pandemic began. Yeah, so far it looks to be the sentiment for the market looks to be a little bit negative today. So I'll get into this in a bit. All right, so right now I have these are my positions here. I have 681 shares of Akerna Corp, valued market value $3,044. Last price was $4.47. That's where it's at right now during pre-market. My average price is $4.30. Of course, Akerna, I've been swing trading it since October of 2020. Tilray, I do have 3 shares. Right now it's at $53.55 during pre-market. Oh, my bad. It's $17.85 right now. And it's my market value is $53.55. Yeah. All right, so I entered into Coinbase last week, and my average price is $33.74. Right now, it's sitting at 300. Right now, it's sitting at $331.73, and my average price is $333.70. 74 cents. I'm so used to my phone. Yesterday I barely found out how to put volume on this thing. Going to Kern. I'm gonna erase all this so it won't be so crowded. Then we can go ahead and identify new support and resistance levels. You're gonna need a new mouse. My mouse sounds like it's so loud. This mouse. Let me actually check if my stream's even working because I have never done this before. Let me check. It is working. Cool. My first stream. It's actually working. It says I have one watcher. Okay. What's up, watcher? If you're there, say what's up. Say what's up. 420 dude. Or do that. So right now what I'm gonna do is clear my technical indicators drawings. Need a new chair too. Okay, so did I erase all these? Yes, I did. Let's go to the next array. I don't think I've created anything on this one. Any technical drawings, indicator drawings. I did. Just sign into chat. Open this. Let's do that. Okay, so it says open. It says here I have to sign in. Okay, so I'm signed in. But it says open this chat. This action. Yeah, let me just show you what this says. I'm trying to. I'm just mainly testing the stream also to my first time streaming. All right, so it says to text. All right. Well, the action cannot be performed inside Streamlabs OBS. To interact with chat, you can open this chat in a web browser. Open in a web browser. Yes. Okay. Okay, so I guess I have to type here. Okay. I have to type here. Figure that out later. Let's look at Safe Moon. A lot of people are talking about Safe Moon. Dang, it's moving hard. Safe Moon's moving hard. This thing was at 11 cents like 20 minutes ago, for real. I mean, 11 cents. Oh my god. I mean, this thing was at 0.000011 about 20 minutes ago. Now it's at 0.000014. Incredible. Things being pumped by so many people online. Wow. Kern is the main stock I need to explode. I wanted to explode. Hopefully get a short squeeze and sell Kern. Wait for it to fall. Buy back in at a much lower price. That's what I've been doing since October 2020 with Kern. With a Kern Corp. Kern Corp has horrible fundamentals. Horrible fundamentals. But let's look at Kern. I've been trading this thing on pure technical indicators. Oh, let me see what's up with my homeboy. And I messaged my friend because he was going to lend me something. And he gets out of work right now at 7, which not 7:27. Right now 7:27. Market's open up at 8:30. I expect to see cannabis stocks go up much more during normal market hours. Yeah, so Kerner Corp I have think let me see the percentage. So let's try here. I gotta get used to this. I'm so used to the phone. I gotta get used to this. This desktop. Okay. So two counts. When was it? Okay, so I'm trying to see my order, my trading history, but I do not know how to on this platform, on this desktop platform, know how to on my phone because I'm so used to the freaking phone. Okay, I need to learn this right now. Okay, so go to trade box. Oh, there we go. Stock P&L. Yes, found it. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I first got into Kern October 13th, and I just been swing trading it. Like I said earlier, Kern has horrible fundamentals, but I love the way it moves. It moves very unique to everything. Like it's the way it moves. It's beautiful. It has very small share float. It's a beautiful stock. Beautiful chart. However, the fundamentals numbers are trash. Trash. It's okay. This is the latest news put out by Kerna. Cannabis sales predicted to reach 370 million as consumers prepare for 420. Legal cannabis sales are predicted to increase starting Friday, April 16th, with 95 million predicted for the new largest sales day this year, Tuesday, April 20th. April 13th, 2021. So that's when this article came out, April 13th. Right now it is April 20. All right, so business intelligence from Akerna, an enterprise software leading to compliance technology provider and developer of the cannabis industry's first seed-to-sale enterprise resource planning software technology, predicts the Tuesday, April 20th, a widely popular yet unofficial holiday celebrating cannabis consumption, will gross 95 million in legal cannabis retail sales nationally, with the following predictions for the day. Top products. Flower will be the most purchased product on 420, claiming 49% of all legal sales, up 4% from the 2021 daily average. Order total. The average order total will be up about $10, with the average spend per customer coming in at $105 compared to the 2021 average of $93.48. Customers will buy an average of 3.69 products, up 30% from the 2021 average basket size of 2.83 products. All right, so Fridays, says here April 16th, there will be a 50% growth in daily average sales, the second largest sales day for the period, with a predicted total industry sales figure 85 million. Fridays are typically the highest traffic days for cannabis retailers. Saturday, April 17th, this will be another busy sales day in preparation for the holiday, with predicted sales reaching 78 million. Monday, April 19th, sales will pick back from the slower Sunday, totaling 65 million. Okay, these are category sales. So 49% of sales will be flower, 31% will be cartridges or pens. These are kind of the same. Concentrates, 11%. Infused edibles, 8%. Other, 1%. I'm surprised concentrates are not up more than that. All right, so sales percentage by demographics: gender 62% male, 38% female. Sales age under 30, 29%. Age 30 to 40, 31%. Age 40 to 50, 20%. Age 50 to 60, 12%. And over 68%. And this percentage here are mostly, I'm pretty sure they mostly like edibles over smoking, from what I understand. I don't know, maybe wrong. All right, so what is MJ Freeway? Basically, before I read this, Akerna Corp was targeted by MTech SPAC. The SPAC that's MTech. So MTech acquired Akerna Corp, but Akerna Corp was MJ Platform, and the combined entity is Akerna Corp. And when that happened, they actually made the CEO of MJ Freeway, to be CEO of Akerna Corp, which is Billingsley, Jessica Billingsley. MJ Freeway is more than software as a service. Its flagship solution, MJ Platform, includes platform insights. Now, operators, investors, and regulators can access the industry's largest and most statistically relevant database to drive data-driven business decisions. All right, hold on. Let me just do something else. Yeah, if you want to join the Discord, let me know. I have very few members in Discord. I'm trying to keep it very tight. But now I would love to have my subscribers join the Discord free. Ooh, you know what to do. Let's see if I can bring some people in from Wall Street Bets group I have on Facebook. Alrighty. All right, so this is the Platform Insights. Okay, Platform Insights provides the greatest statistical relevance across countries. Normalized data not farmed from various disparate POS platforms. Full cannabis supply chain data. Business insights founded in category management methodology. Again, this is for Kerna Corp. Platform Insights can eliminate the guesswork and provide answers to questions like, there we go. What is the gross margin return on my inventory? What SKUs should be carried? How do basket adjacencies influence discounting and retention strategies? What does the medical market look like a year, 5 years after decriminalizing cannabis? All right, so let's see their numbers. Numbers are trash. Let's look into them. Why not? Okay, so take a look at their balance sheet. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, dang. So from June 30th, 2019, they had 21.8 million of cash, right? Then on June 30th, 2020, they had 24.1 million of cash, and then December 31st, 2020, 17.8 million. So yeah, they're burning through cash pretty badly. So you can see that their total current assets have gone down. or are going down, actually, are going down. Like I said, this company is fundamentally screwed. They have horrible fundamentals, but you know what? I've been trading on this company with pure technical analysis techniques, basically. Don't know what else to call it. I mean, I don't know. All right, so their liabilities actually slightly decreased. All right, from June 30th, 2019, they had 2.4 million of liabilities, and then on June 30th, 2020, a jump, massive jump of liability of 21.9 million, and then a very minuscule decrease of liability of 19.6 million. All right, this is the cash flows from operating activities. On June 30th, 2019, they were losing 12.4 million. And then June 30th, 2020, they started losing 16.3 million. Or they lost it this much. And then on December 31st, 2020, they have lost 16.9 million. Of course, this company is growing. A lot of companies that are growing at a very rapid rate are losing money, but this one's one thing for sure that this company, if we get federal legalization of the of the plants, this company will freaking. You're talking about I could easily see this thing going up 80%. Like, think I'm crazy? I was holding Canopy Growth in 2018 when they got an injection of $4 billion, and that company went up 40% instantly. 40%. So just imagine a Kerner Corp. Okay, Kerner Corp. That's a massive catalyst, but you know, Kerner Corp works with governments. Okay, so state governments, federal governments. So if that happens, yes, this company is gonna explode. Or the stock, not the company. Also, right over time, the stock will explode. If it does explode massively, I absolutely expect to pull back because this thing explodes massively and then pulls back. Yeah, so you can see here that I have 410 subscribers, and I have a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the end of this. So if you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button, dude, or do that. All right, let's look at the risk factors for a Kernel Corp. The reason we're looking deeply into a Kernel Corp because I have most of my portfolio in this stock. I believe the stock will be floating over and over. It's because this thing explodes and drops, explodes and drops, explodes and drops, explodes and drops. So I'm hoping for a massive explosion, or hopefully even for today. I mean, for now, I'll just check and let y'all know. So used to my phone, but more and more looks bullish. I mean, yesterday a current core was actually a $4. Yeah, $4.57. It's the high it reached. Actually reached that high twice. $4.57, and during normal market hours, it also reached $4.57. I was about to sell it, but I was like, no. Yesterday, it hit $4.50, and I was about to sell it. Like, Ray, sell, because my name. Never told anybody that. My name's Ray Diamond. Ray. My name's Ray. Okay, so Ray, why are you gonna sell, man? Like, cannabis banking act coming. Oh, it's gonna pass. Chuck Schumer is a fan. A friend of the sector. Why would I sell it? So I didn't sell, and it fell. It fell and it fell, and I was like, because I know it's gonna spike up, and what happened? Boom! It spiked up again. $4.57. And I actually expect it to go way higher than this today. I honestly expect Kerner Corp to hit 470. Let's see if that happens. I know it's a major climb, but I think that can happen. Yeah, so I'm actually learning this desktop. Actually learning Weeble desktop. Well, I am new to this desktop version of Weeble. Like, I would love to know if where I can see the shares outstanding. That's what I want to know. Where can I see shares outstanding? Let's just click a random stock. Oh, oh, there we go. There we go. Yes. Okay, so I have to go to screener. Okay. For me to see shares outstanding, I have to go to stocks. Stocks. Oh, it's down here, but how do I type? Oh, here it is. All right, so right now, Turner Corp has 22.9 million shares outstanding, which is very tight. Has a free float of 7 million. This baby can move massively, massively. Imagine if this stock went on the news. I don't know. They were talking. They just brought it up, like Jim Cramer talking about it. Like it'll put eyes on this thing. But I know Jim Cramer wouldn't be talking about this because it's fundamentally screwed. If you're wondering what the purple line is, it's a 200-day moving average. The red one is a 50-day moving average. See, here is a death cross here. You see a trend downward, steady trend downward, continue. The golden death cross, and then the steady downward move. Here, Mr. Ray, death cross, Venture Warrior. Death cross is when the 50-day moving average overlaps the 200-day moving average, and but like downward red. The red's a 50, the purple's the 200. When they cross, like say, yeah. So this one's a golden cross, but it's a very weak one. This is a golden cross. The golden cross, and you see a slight momentum upward. This is a death cross right here. $7.56 at 8 o'clock. We most likely see a jerk in these stocks, jerking motion upward or downward. More people start trading. Our generation has been moving very weird. Let's see if there's any news. Okay, got some new news on Grow Generation. Let's look at this in a more. Alright, so Grow Generations have movements upward. Good, because this thing's been moving recently. Days. Alright, so Grow Generation shares up 2.9% pre-market after it backs 20 guidance. Alright, so Grow Generation is gonna be like the Home Depot MJ. The management in this company is phenomenal. They've been putting up good numbers. The growth is astronomical. This company has an amazing balance sheet. All right, so GrowGeneration Corp shares WG down 3.74%, rose 2.9% pre-market Tuesday after the company reiterated guidance for 2021 of revenue of 450 to 430 million. The Denver, Colorado-based company made the move as it announced the acquisition of Downriver Hydroponics, Michigan-based indoor garden supply center in Wayne County. Downriver Hydro was founded in 2011 and is the area's biggest hydroponics store. Annual revenues of almost 10 million. Okay, let's read that part again. Kind of glossed over that one. Downriver Hydro was founded in 2011. Right? It is the area's biggest hydroponics store with annual revenues of almost 10 million. Okay, areas. Okay, so this is based in Michigan. Good acquisition. I like this. Oh, I like this a lot. All right, hold up. Okay, I might have to buy a share. Another share of this. Okay. Okay. Downriver Hydro was founded in 2011 and is the area's biggest hydroponics store with annual revenues of almost 10 million. GrowGeneration said its portfolio of hydroponic garden centers now include 53 stores across 12 states with 7 locations in Michigan. Michigan's cannabis market is expected to generate $3 billion in revenue over the next 3 years, making it an ideal place for the further investment. Said Darren Lambert, GrowGen's CEO, in a statement. The company is expecting to have 60 garden center locations in have gained 13% in the year to date, while the cannabis ETF THCX is down 1 point. Wait, what? Read that again. Okay. Shares have gained 13% in the year to date, while cannabis ETF THCX has gained 41% and the S&P 500 X gained 10.8%. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Any more news? Yes, of course. I like this. There's a GrowGeneration. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm Lemonade down 3.18%. Lemonade, Coinbase. This is just chilling. Even yesterday, Coinbase has been chilling. Coinbase, I want to see you drop, homie. See Coinbase drop for 310. Buy one more. Buying shares. Hold that, baby. Coinbase is a hold. Coinbase is a hold for me. Lemonade to buy. Definitely want to buy more shares of Lemonade. All right, so this news came out today, 4/20. The nation's largest chain of specialty hydroponic and organic garden centers today announced its acquisition of Downriver Hydroponics, a Michigan-based indoor garden supply center in Wayne County. Founded in 2011, Downriver Hydro is the area's largest hydroponic store with annual revenues approaching 10 million. The acquisition of Downriver Hydro GrowGen's portfolio of hydroponic garden centers now includes 53 stores across 12 states with 7 of those locations. Brownlee and his team will stay on at GrowGen as part of the transaction and operate the company's 7th location in the state. GrowGen also operates hydroponic garden centers in Battle Creek, Granite Rapids, Livonia, Taylor South, Lansing, and West Lansing. Downriver Hydro has proudly served Michigan's indoor growers for over a decade with our exceptional team called experts, commitment to hydroponics education, and vast inventory of high-quality garden supplies, said Brownlee. We're excited to join Grow Generation, the nation's largest hydroponics retailer, leverage our combined resources, expertise, and inventory to meet the state's growing cultivators. Yes, there will be massive growing, massive growth of cultivators this year, next, and the next year. According to industry sources, Michigan's cannabis market is one of the fastest growing cannabis markets in the country, with total 2020 cannabis sales generating $984 million in revenue. Projected to generate over $3 billion in cannabis sales within the next 3 years, the second largest medical marijuana market in the country behind California. The Downriver Hydroponics acquisition is GrowGen's ninth this year and follows yet another quarter of record earnings. Oh, I love this. I'm not supposed to fall in love with the stocks, and I'll cut this stock off really quick with some bad news. But you know what? These numbers, incredible. Stock is like the opposite of Intercorp. It's crash fundamental, traded on pure technical analysis. This one, their fundamentals are a little bit. We'll look at their balance. 20. Shit. All right, so just last month, the company announced record full year 2020 revenues of $193 million, an increase of 143% year over year. That sentence alone tells you, right? Same store sales increased 63% for full year 2020 compared to the previous year. The company also raised its 2021 revenue guidance to $430 million. EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, guidance to create 51 million. GrowGen plans to have 60 garden centers. States by the end. Okay, so GrowGen plans to have 60 garden centers. And pulling up people. This is, they're playing Monopoly and they're doing. All right, let's look at some downriver. Next. So this is Downriver Hydro, the company that GrowGen just gobbled up. Okay, so look at their website. Okay, so anyway, it says here, welcome to Downriver Hydro Online. We understand that you, the grower, have choices. when it comes to purchasing your hydroponics products. The obvious question is, why should you purchase? Let us explain. The retail level, we want to earn your business by it. You see, they already have a typo, man. On the retail level, we want to earn your. Just seeing that typo hurts me. Guys, I need to get it together. Let's read it with the typo in it. That's what they do. On the retail level, we want to earn you business by understanding your projects with considerations to your budget. We want to provide you with only what you need to assure your growing success. We want to assist you. We want to assist you every step of the way as you need us. We consider growers to be part of our family, whether they are a customer or someone else. Okay, so we provide information. We provide the information and have the knowledge that ensures that you are successful in harvest. We want you to know that you're dealing with a company that knows you're growing and cares about its customers. You have plants that are covered with bugs. Not all bugs are bad. The answers are here. You have weak-looking plants. No, I don't have any plants. Is it a deficiency or is it a? The answers are there steps I can prevent plant disease and disease? The answer are here. All the typos I'm seeing is, I don't even know if that's a typo. I think the person got some grammar issues. Just fine, you know. My stock is gobbling up. Company, I have shareholder gobbling up. Company, and you can't even edit your wording. Did you know not all bugs are bad bugs? Visit our good bugs and bad bugs page. Hope you know which. And call our knowledgeable staff and have them explain all the reasons you should introduce good bugs to all of your growth. Basically, the good bugs, I'm guessing, well, I'm not guessing, pretty much, is, well, I'm kind of guessing, I guess, because I'm not an expert at this, but it's ladybugs. The ladybugs plant. Plant diseases are treatable. The best way to treat them is to first identify the disease and then understand the proper treatment. Visit our section on plant diseases to help you determine what might be ailing your crop and see what treatment is recommended. If you are unsure that you have properly identified the disease, call us and we will help. We have the right products to solve all plant diseases. Pause for information. Come in to our retail store or for our convenience, you can find products, buy them online. Visit our online. I'm already not liking it, but you know what? I don't like this webbing. This website is horrible. Fix this. Give this guy right up, dude, bro. What's good, Lucid? Happy 420, big baller. What's going down? I'm glad to see you here, man. Happy to see you here, man. I'm not sure. Took off. I'm not sure, but I'm happy. Okay. All right. Let's look at the lighting packages. Yeah, this website is trash. They need to fix this up. Wow. Trash. Look at this. The gallery has no gallery, dude. The gallery has no pictures. What's up, Lucid? Yeah, we're just Yeah, it's because one of the companies I own in stocks. One of the companies I own in stocks, which is Grow Generation, just bought this company out, right? So I'm looking into their website, and it's go for it's trash. Just looking at their website, this company looks like trash, but I mean, Grow Generation does have an amazing management, so they know what they're doing, but they need to fix this website. Look at this photo gallery. I was like, oh, let me see some photo gallery. Let me see some pics. Let me see some pics. Welcome to our photo gallery. We will be adding pictures on a regular basis. We'll make a point of checking back to see what is new, and what is growing at Downriver Hydro. All right, so where are the pictures at, dude? No pictures, okay? Lighting. Yeah, this is horrible. This is horrible. All right, let's look at Grow Generation. It's of amazing. This is how it should be. Look at this Grow Generation. This is going to be. They're trying to be the Home Depot of cannabis. Expect one of these guys to open up near you. These people are expanding massively. Let's look at some of the stuff. Yeah, let's look at their closets. That's more interesting. Look, Lucid, if you want to grow some cannabis, you can get one of these babies. $2,000, baby. Your next stimmy. Your next stimmy, you can get this baby right here. Look at this, dude. You can grow some beans or some roses. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful layout. Beautiful layout. These guys need downriver because they look trashy as hell right now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is how it should be. How it should be. This. These are all the grow lights. These are all the says hydroponics, aeroponics. Let's look at air. Yeah, 2K, man, but so far this feels like this is my favorite brand of tents. I don't grow. I've, I don't grow. Get that clear. I don't grow, guys. Don't get me. Texas. I'm not supposed to be doing that. Yeah, so this is what Gorilla. Yeah, Gorilla Grow. This so far is the best brand. Dude, look, this is the best brand I've seen, dude, for grow tents, bro. Bro, look at this. This fits, dude. This right here. Look, dude. Look. $244. 200. You can grow some beans in there. Look at this, dude. Yo, can you even? How's the mic? Mic sounding good? Everything sounding good? You're the first dude that comes in, bro, or the first one that actually uh types. Look at this, and they get you a payment plan, and everything. It was $240, $244. So basically, what you'll do is get this. You'll get this, baby. You get this, and then you go get some grow lights, right? So let's see, grow lights, LED. Let's put LED. You get some lights. Dang, Okay, so you get this one for say you get this one. 295, right? So you get that one, and then you get nutrients. Yeah, I don't know nothing about nutrients. I just know I don't know. Trying to learn, guys. Sounds good. Oh, that's good to hear, man. You think about this, man. Think about this. Right. So these are the blooming chemicals here. There's also chemicals specifically for terpenes. Look, must sound pimping on headphones. All right. Yeah, we just wanted to come here to show you all. You're gonna watch this in the. Yeah, I drew the thumb, dude. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what a website is supposed to look like. Beautiful, beautiful. Grow Generation knows exactly what they're doing. In fact, I think I'm gonna buy a share of Grow Generation again because they have news. They're an amazing company with amazing management. $8.20 market opens at 8:30. At 8:30, we're gonna see crazy movements. Like the maximum likes I've gotten, 100 videos. I think 20. I think 20 was like the maximum likes. Gotta remind people to hey, like my video right now, Lucid. Be like that. All right. Look at the 420 stocks, dude. Oh, 420. All right, so man, let me try to explain to you, man, since you're here, right? So Lucid, this is how it works, man. There's pre-market and there's market and then there's aftermarket, right? So things start moving around well before pre-market is before 8:30. 8:30 is normal market, 8:30 to 3:30. Then aftermarket. So things start moving around 3 o'clock in the morning. Things start moving pre-market. The moves are like really jerky because there's a lot less people trading. Of institutional investors manipulating the stocks and stuff. But right now, when the market opens, you're gonna see all these things move like violently. Con chingo de velianza, camarada. And this stock, Kern, is my biggest position. I have 681 shares. It's worth $3,010. It's right now sitting at $4.42. I'm hoping this baby goes to $4.70 and I sell it, let it drop, and then buy some more back. So I'm hoping it just goes to $4.70 today. Now making a couple $100, sell it, fall, buy back. Cause this thing moves. That's how it moves. I think I think I'm trying to gamble. No. Trying to use technical indicators. This thing moves like that. Look how this thing. Look at this. A minute. 10-minute chart. It moves like that. Look at this. Down, up, down, up, down. Like, this is how it moves. That's how it moves. Look at this. Oh, right here. I bought here, sold, up here, bought, traded. This thing moves like that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes, I love this stock. I love this stock. I love it. The company's trash, but the fundamentals are trash. I think they need a new CEO. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, I know Jessica Billingsley supposedly created the seed to sell technology, but shoot, they need a better management. Maybe we can get some more cannabis related news. There we go. There we go. All right, whatever. I like the way this looks. Yeah. From market. All right, so cannabis stocks rally pre-market after House passes Safe Banking Act. Cannabis stock rallied across the board in pre-market trade Tuesday with the cannabis ETF up 4.6%. Oh yeah, just so you know, Lucid, an ETF is a basket of shares, exchange traded fund. An ETF is a basket of if it's a cannabis ETF, it's a basket of tons of companies that trade cannabis related companies. Yeah. After the House voted 321 to 101 in favor of the bill that would protect banks that do business with companies in states that have legalized the plant for medical or recreational purposes from the federal enforcement action. The so-called Safe Banking Act, SAFE stands for Secure and Fair Enforcement, aims to open up the federally insured banking system to cannabis companies that have been starved of capital and forced to do much of their business in cash. Yeah, so what's really bad about how this was before. Yeah, man. Good night, bro. Thanks for being here. So what's really bad about how this was before, these businesses had to use armored trucks, private security, just to move their money around. So if this gets taken away, they should be seeing more profits. The bill would exempt cannabis business transactions from being considered proceeds from illegal activity and subject to anti-money laundering laws. It would also prohibit banking regulators from asking banks to terminate a customer account unless there was a valid reason aside from the reputation risk. The bill last passed the House in 2019, only to die in the Senate. Yeah, because the majority leader was a Republican and he didn't like it. He didn't want it. He was very extremely conservative. But right now, majority leader is Chuck, and he's a friend of the sector. Fate this time around in the Senate, now under Democratic control, is still unclear. Pre-market gainers were mostly Canadian companies, even though, with the exception of Canopy Growth Corp, they are not expected to immediately benefit from U.S. cannabis law reform. And of course, Canopy is going to benefit because they are. When this happens, there's a federal reform. They will be gobbling up acreage holding. Yeah. Tilray was up 3.8%. Africa up 1.91, with which it is emerging was up 2.2%. Canopy was up 1.6%, and Kronos Group and Kronos was up 1.2%. Shares of U.S. multi-state operators were not yet active. Yeah, so Tilray is merging with Afria. Afria has literally the best cannabis CEO. Canada, his numbers are. He came into the company and just changing everything. He made them profitable. Afria, the best CEO, cannabis market. Thing about Canopy Growth, what it has going with it is that it's backed by Constellation Brands. I I am very sure that Constellation Brands They want to buy up a bigger position in the company before federal legalization. That cat, like last time I was in that and that happened, 40%. I mean, I'm talking about instantly, like instant. So, is there any other news? 20 minutes ago. It's 420. Cannabis stocks are smoking hot. Yes. Honor of April 420, aka weekday. We figured it was worth pointing out that cannabis stocks are smoking hot. Shares of industry leaders Canopy Growth and Cronos, which are backed by Corona owner Constellation Brand and Marlboro parent Altria, respectively, have each surged more than 10%. After Tilray, which announced plans to merge in December in a deal valued at about $4 billion that will create the world's largest cannabis company. Pulled. A clear sign that Wall Street expects the business of legal pot to become a rapidly growing chunk of the consumer products. Cannabis sales will continue to experience strong growth. I would be very surprised if U.S. cannabis sales do not reach the 20 billion mark in 2021, said Jason Wilson, cannabis and baking expert at ETF Managers Group, which runs the ETF MG Alternative Harvest, in an email to CNN Business. So yeah, if you don't want to buy individual stocks, individual cannabis stocks, buy the ETF. This is actually a very good one. ETF MJ. There's also one called YOLO. I don't mess with ETFs. Why? They're too boring for me. Yeah, I'm not. I don't like ETFs. So never be into boring. Like to. More mergers could be on the horizon. In fact, Canopy recently announced plans to buy rival Supreme Cannabis for nearly 350 million. Yes, that's a brand right there. Yeah, you notice how I said brand, not company. Demand for marijuana, as well as CBD, the non-psychoactive products derived from the hemp and cannabis plants, is robust. On the therapeutic side, this is just first pitch of the first inning. It's not going to be just gummies and drops, said Marty Stomach Crest, chairman and co-CEO of CBDMD, maker of CBD products, that just announced a new line of drink mix packets on Tuesday. Yeah, this I do watch CBDMD, but I don't like watch it. The increased demand for CBD products could also be good news for CBDMD rivals such as Charlotte's Web and CBD. Charlotte's Web is considered to be the best top-notch CBD. Their marketing, their branding, their following is amazing. They have documented how they've kids medical issues, medical problems. Like they have documented YouTube like all over the place where they show how well their CBD. Well, from what I and actually Charlotte's Web literally only that strain Charlotte's Web. They actually made it Charlotte's Web. They named it after a that they. Bull run for cannabis may only be in its infancy. Yes, that's what I hear. Pot stock gold rush comes at a time when a growing number of states are legalizing recreational and or medical marijuana. Some industry watchers are hopeful that federal laws against cannabis may eventually be relaxed. Oh yes, they will. Are actually. Support for legal marijuana is the highest it's ever been in the U.S. across several different demographics. The pandemic has only sparked increased appetite in the space, said Brad Newman, director of market strategy at Augur, and report this. Widespread legalization at the state level suggests that the possibility of legalization on the federal level in the U.S. Yet, noting that companies involved in the cannabis space may hold significant investment opportunities in the years to come. Now that New York and New Jersey have also legalized recreational cannabis, and nationwide sales could explode this year, given how big these two markets are. Yes, that was here. It's true, very true. Massive market. Oh no, my mouse has run away with me. Or has run away. It is good to see the states like New York finally gets this done. It is great. It's a great first step, said Chris Drayson, CEO of Slang Worldwide, a consumer packaged goods company. Canopy has invested in which vaping products and cannabis infused candies, gummies, and other edibles. Drayson added that the overall cannabis and CBD markets remain so fragmented that there is still a lot of room for several companies to keep growing and gain share. I'm just oh 8:35. We see a drop in Kern. Is at $4.25. Let's look at the general stock market. Wow, looks very negative today. During the open, right now Nasdaq is down 0.28%. S&P 500 is down 1.2%. EQQ is down 0.6%. Yeah, I would love. Okay, Coinbase is falling. This is what I want. I want Coinbase to fall because I really do want another share of Coinbase. Really, really want another. I just don't want it to buy. I don't want to. I want it to fall 5% and then buy. And that's usually what I like. That's the range of like 5%. Right now it's at 2%. I would like to see 5%. And if it hits the 5% drop, if it hits 5% drop, I will buy another one. I'll have to trade something. Hopefully, Kerner can spike so I can trade some Kerner to get Coinbase. But if Kerner does not spike, I'll hold. I'll have to wait until I see the spike. I want Kerner to spike. Spike good percentage. Sell. I want Coinbase to fall. Hopefully 5%. Get a Coinbase. Hold those two shares for long term. Not sell them. This time for real. I know I say that a lot. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold that. But you know what? Coinbase, I'm for real because I believe that this Wall Street has no idea how to value this company. It is on a track of its own. Nothing that can compare to it. And there's nothing in its lane. Like, let's talk about Coinbase. Why not, dude? Coinbase. All right, this one now. Why Coinbase could be the Google of cryptocurrencies. Coinbase might be the Google of cryptocurrencies. Okay, that's not good. Need to freaking this. Anyway, Coinbase might be the Google of cryptocurrencies. If that's the case, its stock could be a bargain. Barron's Avi Salzman made the case for owning Coinbase stock in the April 19th issue of the magazine, arguing that it's a novel company with competitive advantages that have enabled it to increase market share despite fierce rivals. The article also compared Coinbase to Shopify, Square, Charles Schwab, and Nasdaq. But Coinbase also looks a lot like Alphabet did at the time its IPO. Google at the Google as a company was known then was worth roughly 23 billion when it made its public debut. That was 2004 when the S&P 500 was around 1,100. Today, Coinbase is worth about 87 billion, based on the roughly 260 million fully diluted shares counts, and the S&P 500 is at almost 4,200. Coinbase is interesting. It did not IPO; it DPO'd, direct public offering. Very interesting. The direct public offering, like the insiders have to sell shares to make those shares. Back then, Google's valuation raised some eyebrows, but Google is generating earnings and free cash flow. Fast forward to today, and Alphabet has generated about 240 billion in free cash flow over the course of its existence. That has made investors who bought shares at $85 in its IPO. Coinbase, like Google, generated about 320 million in cash from operations during 2020 from 1.2 billion in sales. In the first quarter of 2021, Coinbase revenue came in at 1.8 billion. Earnings were roughly 750 million. Coinbase's net margin in the first quarter works out to roughly 42%. That's high, but not all that high for an exchange. The average net profit margin for the big four publicly traded exchanges is about 35%. Yes, Coinbase is already one of the world's most valuable exchanges. Their intercontinental exchange has a market value, including debt, of roughly 84 billion. CME Group, Nasdaq, and Cboe Global Markets are valued at 76 billion, 29 billion, and 12 billion, respectively. The pace of value creation is breathtaking and will bring claims of bubble with it. The Intercontinental Exchange, after all, owns 200-year-old New York Stock Exchange. Coinbase was founded in 2012. Trade Bitcoin, which was introduced in 2008. And despite its lack of pedigree, Coinbase doesn't look all that expensive compared with the four traditional exchanges. It trades at 15 times enterprise value to sales, compared with an average of 11 times enterprise value to sales for the traditional exchanges. What's more, the exchange stocks traded at 15 to 18 times EV to sales when they were faster growing companies. At 15 times annualized first quarter sales, Coinbase would be worth 108 billion, or roughly 415 a share, 21% higher than Friday's close of 342. The trade is not without risk. Coinbase is inextricably linked to the success of Bitcoin. When it rises, trading volume does too. When it falls, so will competition. More exchanges will pop up attempting to stake out ground in the new crypto land rush. But like the search business before crypto might end up supporting very few players, and Coinbase could turn out to be Bing and not Google. Decompression too could be a problem. Coinbase can charge around 4% in a day when stocks can be bought and sold for free, which will pressure sales growth. I understand. Coinbase can charge around 4%. I need to start getting into Coinbase just to see what's up. I do have the app. I just don't explore it. I haven't versed in. Much as I should. But Coinbase is diversifying away from just transaction fees. Notes MKM partners analyst Rohit Kulkarni, just like Google became more than search. Kulkarni points out that more than 20% of the retail users also engage in at least one non-investing product. Writes Kulkarni. What's more, he points out the Coinbase could eventually offer its own cryptocurrency like Binance, another exchange that issued a crypto token. Ultimately, though, there is one question potential Coinbase investors need to ask themselves. Do they believe cryptocurrencies have staying power? If they're not a fad, then Coinbase is must own stock, just like Alphabet was. Yes, it's falling. I don't want everything to fall though. Come on, guys. The whole stock market looks red. Oh, Nasdaq is starting to come back up. Yeah. Stocks, Kern. Hmm. It's a case looks falling.